All right. So now let's work on making this text-based adventure game. Maybe this will be something fun to record. Put out there. I already kind of started a little bit, working on some of the terminal stuff here. Items a little bit. Base character. Really, I spent a lot of time on all the stats. That's a big one. But I think today it's time to start working on the terminal. I think that's going to be the most fun. Hmm. You need to print some fun stuff here. So, got to work on this print function. We're going to need chrono and all right. How do we do this? I think it's what is it? STD this. Ooh, what library does this come from again? I think I need chrono. I need thread, right? I need random as well. So we do yeah, we do millis, right? And then hmm, I did this in the past. What's the most? This will probably have to be. We'll define this, I guess. We'll try 125, maybe 100. We'll try 100, right? So it's like, why is this mad? Oh, okay. So maybe I should call this print instead of terminal. Yeah, I think that's what I do. Rename terminal. Print up. Okay. This makes more sense now, I think. So we'll call this like print string. right? So I think that's what we do, right? We go like for auto. For each character in the string. This is gonna be fun. So yeah, first thing we want to do is print. Do the terminal colors with the given color, right? Then we'll slap this in here. Maybe this is a macro. Maybe this is a function. Ooh. Right? Right? I think this is right. I think this is right. I think this is right. I think this is correct. So then, can you just print f the character? Does that work? No? I forget. And then I think you do, like, you don't want to do this if it's like just an empty character. Yeah, this is a character. What's the matter? Why is this getting angry? All right. So if we don't have this, then we'll, right. And then at the end, we print, and then I think we go like E colors reset. I think this is correct. I think this is correct. Let's give it a try. And then after this, we can just return. Let's try it. It didn't work. It totally works. Oh no. This is something I always hated about Visual Studio. I wish that it would allow you to like have a terminal inside of the editor. I don't understand why. Hell yeah. Okay, so that's pretty quick. Very good. Very good. I'm very happy with it. Okay. I think we need more colors. I need brown. So let's see what's the if I can find a color table here. Let's see if I can find a color. Where's a color table? So this will be text color, right? Yeah. So where is it here? I can probably find a GitHub account with it. No? Oh, here it is. Is this a thing? Hold on. There's no way that's a thing. Yeah, that's for Linux. What the fuck am I thinking? This is interesting. I do kind of want a brown. 249. So we got to come over to types. We'll add another line in here. Let's see, what's the color here? This should be, let's see if this works. Oh, no. Where am I missing a, oh, I'm missing a colon. I see. Black. All right. Brown ended up being white. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I should have put in a new line. Oh, this is gonna be bad. Okay, I borked the terminal. Hold on. Hmm. We'll do 250. Okay. Okay. Let's try 100. This is kind of getting annoying. Ah! Awesome. Why can I not scroll up? Okay. I would like a brown, which I suppose is going to be something more like. I already have yellow. We're going to add some more of these colors in here. Okay. I guess there's no brown. I want some darker yellow. All right, so let's try bright yellow. Yeah, do I even need this? Like really? Do I really need it? I don't feel like I do. I don't feel like I do. So there is no brown. Here's my bright colors. We'll do gray. Because there's no black. So this is 90. Red, green, yellow, blue, magenta, cyan. Here we go. Maybe this is a bit over. Maybe that's a bit much formatting. Maybe that's a bit much. I don't give a shit. We're doing it anyway. Fuck you guys. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bright green, bright yellow. I guess that's bright blue. I don't know. Even though it's probably just purple. Bright cyan is probably just baby blue. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I'm terrible with colors anyways. I don't really care. Okay. Maybe it's sort of a moot point to even have black, now that I think about it. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Um, Maybe for now then we'll turn off resizing the terminal and we'll just let it run. Okay. Okay. This is nice. So we're getting some colors going. We can print strings. This is good. This resets our color. Wait. What is going on? Mm. Okay, hold on. Uh, okay, so yeah, so then I just if new line. That should be good. Oh, oh, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Cool. That's what I'm talking about. This is good. This is good. This is becoming a good day. All right, so now what we need is a I don't like this. Give me my white space. Give me my squiggly braces. What else do we need? What else do I need? If I want to read in a file of, so I also need, so now there's this issue, right? Like if I I'm just thinking like if I want to print, if I read in a file, am I going to read in one string or am I going to read in a vector? Is a is a room a vector of strings or is a room a string with a bunch of new lines? What is it? If I have a menu, does the menu make sense as a single string or as a vector of strings? When I when I declare stuff like this, is this a string or is this a vector of strings? If, hmm. Hmm. This is really if I want to print a room on the screen, am I printing a vector or am I printing a string? You know what? I don't care. We can delete this later. We're just gonna do we're just gonna do it like this, right? I think this is the obvious way to do it. I don't know why this is an underscore. Okay, so be the color. By default, it should be reset. Oh, And if you're printing a vector, you don't need to ask about new lines, right? Because it just is going to be a new line. You know, if I think this is correct. 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 Right? And this is just for line into print. I think we just call print string, right? And we just pass it line. We pass it the color. I think this is it, right? I think this is it. I think that's all we have to do. Yeah. I think this is correct. Now, I guess the question is, does this need to be a macro then if I'm just going to use it? I think this makes sense. Okay. So basic terminal secured, basic colors and everything. I feel like this, I think this is correct. I think this is all I need. Um, okay. So what's next? We can demo the colors. This game currently has nothing in it, right? The whole loop int main calls this play game function and we just return 0. So what's the next step? Is the next step a character creator? What should the characters be? I have all these stats here. This stats.hpp. We have health, mana, damage. Hmm. So does this mean that I should create a... You know what? This should get moved to the terminal. So we need to include print.h. We need to include print.h. Hmm. I'm just thinking, like, there's a universe that you pass a series of strings into a function to print it. And you want them to be evenly spaced. I'm just thinking about like printing all of these. Like if you want to print a character page, how much of this can be done from the player? Right, is sort of my question. How much of this printing do you do from the player? Because, what's okay, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. You need a character sheet. What if we just do this? This looks cool. Hmm. Character sheet. Yeah. There's like the classic D&D sheet, right? Hmm. I don't know. I don't know. because we want like something like the name, and we're gonna need a class. Maybe we want like a name, tab, tab, and like an age, right? Then we need to have your stats, right? So do we center these? No, no, that looks terrible. That looks terrible. So, right, we need our stats. We'll say this is like, we'll make a stupid guy, a real silly Billy. And then, right, because we're never gonna hit 100 strength, right? This is always going to be two. So then we have our modifiers. This would be 1, 1, 0. This would be -1. And this would also be -1, right? Yeah, because if you print a negative integer, right, it always prints with the negative. So these modifiers can get up to 2 digits. So 1, 2, 3, maybe. Then you kind of need like we'll do in Scythor, of course. This guy, what class is this? Fighter. We'll make him a fighter. Age 31. So I'm a geezer. Okay. Then you want to have like damage, right? Damage here is going to be base damage is, I don't know, 8 to 12 plus 2 because you're a fighter. Your main stat is strength. Bonus damage is going to be +2, right? Spell damage, it's going to be 0. Fighters, I guess, probably have no, right? And this is going to be colored. Oh, and then health. Health and mana. How much mana should I have? I'm gonna have 75 out of 103. Ooh. How much constant how much How much mana should each int give you? I don't even care. I don't even care. Hold on. I gotta update this. So when we initialize, what's the... This is so complicated. Give me a second. Okay. So I guess we're just on to stats now and just building out the core part of the game. So yeah. And then where do we put experience? You can put experience 237. Just make up something, but you also need a level. Maybe here we go. So what would this would be maybe level 3 or something? I don't know. Hmm. This is looking okay. Right, because really what this is like this is plus like your main stat bonus, right? Which in this case is +2. Hmm. I just got an idea. So for the colors, we do something like so if we do something like okay, we'll do 2 plus equals like bright green. 1 to 2 is dark green. 0 would be gray, right? And then -1 or 2. This is mm, is but there is no dark red. So this would be light red and this would be red. Does that make sense? Right? Because I think that means Let's run this. Let's take a look. I want to see the colors real quick here. I think this is it. I'm not demo printing gray. I am. Oh, I think this is good. I think this is good. I think this makes sense. Oops. Okay, listen. Do you get bonus spell damage from either int or charisma? Like if you're fuck, how many classes am I really gonna create? You know what? We're gonna leave this for now. However, we're gonna make a note. Because like if you're a bard, but okay, if you're solo playing a text-based adventure game, is being a bard really feasible? Right? I don't think that it is. I don't think that it is. This is good. This is good for now. I feel like then do we do damage? So this would be +2. And then do we just do, I kind of like that there's like damage. But spell damage is bonus spell damage, right? Because any spell that you have already contains a certain amount of damage. So just logically, spell damage is bonus spell damage. That's odd. That is kind of odd to think about it that way. Do you call these stats? What do you call those? Like they are stats, but it's like what else can you call them? Attributes? Did I spell that right? I think attributes is a better word than stats. Okay, let's work. Let's do this. So, does it even make sense that this is. It does. I think it makes sense that this is not a part of the base character. Does it, or am I overthinking this? Spell resistance and armor. So this is a vector, is it? Does it? Does this make sense that it's not a part of the base character? Like, am I crazy? Should this. Ah, but there's so much in here, right? Like, you know what? It's not complicated to put it into the player later. Yeah, since I'm so easy, this is really a copy and paste if I want to do it later. Okay. So, hmm. So, you know, You know? Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, hold on. Hold on. There is a serious problem with what I want to do right now. We need we need a new print function. We need static void string spaced. And I think we put it here. Yeah. Hmm. And the reason I do this, oh, yeah, so the color, yeah, for auto reference character, for to print. Okay, so okay, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Let's just close this, close this. Okay, hold on. Hold on. I'm forgetting how to do this. Give me a second. Is it fucking set width? Oh, Jesus. Is it set? I swear to God. Oh, it's been so long since I did this. Hold on. Oh, I forget. So that's 4 plus 2. And this is 5. 4. 1, 4. One, 5, 6, 7. Four, 5, 6. Oh, is it set width? Fuck, how the fuck do you do this again? Sorry, I'm just looking to the side for a second here. Okay. Um, I gotta find another podcast. Probably should have done this. Probably should have queued it up before, but I didn't. Hold on, there's STD format now? Uses this thing. Okay, hold on. Apparently there's some like fucking black magic like got added in C++ 24 or 20. Sorry. Do I have this? Where do you get this from? What's what library is this from? Hold on. What header do I need for this? Include format. Uh, okay, hold on. String spaced. Maybe we don't need this. So this says that I need to import uh include format. B format. Hold on. What the fuck? String. Hold on. I don't like this. I don't like this. I think this should be. Hold on. You know what? No, fuck this. I think we're just gonna do it ourselves. I don't really want to deal with this. String space. Um, so hold on. This should be a vector then, right? So if I want to, right? Because what I want to do is I want to pass this an array of stuff, right? I want to pass it strength, this, and this. Mm. Does it even make sense for me to do this in like with the Is there a reason that this is even private? Yeah, because if I'm only using this, then I would want to be returning strings. Hmm. Yeah, so I guess this is where printing gets a little odd, right? Because I do want to reuse the same function. I don't need printf anymore. Hmm. Let's display simple, I guess. Okay, so now So that means that we need new enum for type class, right? What are the classes we're gonna have? Let's just think about this for a second. We'll maybe go fighter, barbarian, warlock, paladin. So here's my idea for the game, right? Here's my idea, right? You start off as this paladin who is following a god who turns out to be a trickster god, who's actually a demon. And this fucks with you a lot, right? So you always start as a paladin. And then the issue is that it's like, then after the first few levels, you get to change your class. So yeah, you fighter, barbarian, warlock, paladin. Do we just go with like the classics? I like warlock. Warlocks are one of my favorites. And like, ah, man, we need a bard. Oh, but like if you're soloing, oh man, the you can have some fun stuff happen if you're a bard, right? I feel like we can mix it up a little bit. Like fighter is agi. This is obviously going to be strength. It's going to be int. Strength and int. Bard is always charisma. Oh, I forgot wisdom. If you want it to be the sorcerer though would be wisdom. I kind of don't want to do a lot of spells. I think that too many spells just makes the game rather complicated. And maybe even a bard is not good. Like, and I know even making fighters agility based is sort of maybe a hot take, but I don't care. I think it's the right call. And I don't want to get lost in the weeds with this shit. I don't even know what this means. It isn't it though? I think it is. Yeah, yeah, okay. So this isn't even so this is if it's character based, right? But this would be like word based. I'm gonna be right back. All right. Ooh, yeah. Hmm. Okay. So there's like a few ways that we can do this, right? We can go like word dot length minus one. So we can do like int spacing equals word dot length minus one. Then you know what? SCD out the word. Oh, does that work in C++? plus plus? No, I don't think it does. Right? So then we'd have to do. So I think we do something like this, right? If but if you put it in there, but you always would have spacing, right? I don't think there's a situation in which you don't. Oh, and then here's the other issue, right? Is that like you have these colors, right? You have these colors that you want to add. So then that becomes like, is this like a vector of colors now? Hmm. Maybe I just handle it inside of this function. Yeah. I think I just do it inside of this function because there's some issues. Yeah. You know what? We're going to do this. We're just going to brute force this right now. Um right, it's not Python. Yeah, so ecolors equals reset, new line. Oh, wow. New line equals try catch. No. And then sleep equals false. Then string. So this is where it starts to get a bit shitty, right? Because, we have to do, we should build this string ahead of time, right? So then we need temp, I guess. And now temp is going to equal, can you multiply a, um, hold on. Hold on. You know what? This is a great time. Let's check Grok. Will this times 8 return a string with 8 spaces? Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Does this work? Oh, you can do that. Okay. The string constructor. Okay, this is good to know. Okay. We're actually just going to call it spaces. So we're going to say temp equals name plus oh, there's 18 fucking string constructors. Holy shit. Right, A, left. Count. Oh. So name dot length minus 1. Name dot length minus 1 minus 1, 2. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, I know. I'm going to get so much shit for this if anybody ever sees this video. No instance of constructor. I think there fucking is. I think that this is wrong and that it's absolutely true this constructor exists. Because we just seen it. Right? Am I crazy? size t count and constant character. So what if I did this spacing equals this, and I give this spacing? Am I crazy? Right? Because this returns a string, right? Oh, um, plus the class plus std string class dot. Ooh, does the class become a struct? Is that where we get our main stat from? Is from the struct of class? Is a is oh shit. Fuck. Oh my god. Is class a class? Oh damn. Oh no. Oh, this just got a bit this just kind of got complicated. Is class a class or is class a struct? Oh shit. Because then if you want to represent the class, it should have a fucking color. Like agility is green, strength is red, intelligence can be blue. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Did this Oh no. Did this just open up a bag of worms? Oh fuck. Do I need to create new files? Oh shit, because class is an enum, so it's just an integer. But class is a Oh god, is class a struct? Oh no. Oh no. Cause oh shit. You want it oh fuck me. Okay. Oh god damn, this is so annoying. Um oh fuck. Stats types.hpp. Is this Oh no, because classes have different things that they all need to apply statistics to, right? And they're all gonna have oh tits. Oh no. Oh god. Ooh, is a class or is a class a struct? Oh Balls, I think it's a struct. I'll be right back. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is so bad. Oh, fuck. Where's my thing? Enums and structs. Give me another item. Delete those. Fuck. Uh, so now I need to import. I need types. I also need to import print, right? Because I need colors. However, okay, hold on. Should the colors come from types? And this is also supposed to be include. Sorry, Python is my day job. Are colors types or are colors apart? They are types. But then I need that becomes very wordy with all of the arguments. Right? So every class must be constructed with a class, and the defaults would not be existent. Right? And fuck. Um this is so frustrating. Um get class name, which is going to return with color. Right, because like because E class is just going to be like your class, right? So when you return the class color, this is going to be a switch on class. Can you stop, bro? What the fuck is this autocomplete? Get out of here, Visual Assist. You're gonna switch on class, right? Which this is so annoying. Fighter. No, this is gonna return. It is it is a const character pointer. Yeah, because this is gonna return. Um. Oh, Jesus. This can't be a string. This is gonna return. But see, now the issue is that we need access to this function, which is supposed to be private. So does this function is this a type? You know, just like the colors exist here. Is this function a type? Or does this, because, oh, fuck. Like the problem becomes, where else do I need to return these colors as a singular string? Array constant, carry type on, or whatever. Where else do I need to return this? Is text color just private or public? Or is text color a type? Like, does this just exist inside of the global variable thing? Oh, Jesus. You know what? We're just going to make it public for now, and we're just going to deal with the consequences later. E colors is going to be green. Oh, no. Is this true? Is that how this works? Because, too many characters in character constant. I don't think that makes sense. It hates it. Yeah. Hmm. An unscoped or enum type. Hold on, I'm having such a big brain fart here. Like if I say this is a constant character array. Okay, I've lost my mind a little bit, right? Because see, this is the issue is that I always stuff like this is always done in I haven't programmed in C++ plus plus for so long doing stuff like this that it's I'm just making stupid mistakes like this. Yeah, I'm making stupid mistakes right now with these. However, the answer is actually rather simple, right? Okay, so I use the APIs that I already have, and I say that this is print string. I'd say that this std string temp is nothing. And then I say here temp equals print uh text color colors green, right? Plus fighter. It doesn't like this. It must have an integral value. So that's cool. I can just say fighter colors green. False, false. And then I can break. Right. And then, yeah, I can just say barbarian. This is barbarian. The color here, I suppose, is going to be red. False, false. Okay. Oops. I don't know why I copied that again. And then the next class is a paladin, which I suppose we can copy this, which is, ooh, what color is a paladin? I think a paladin might be bright yellow. Oh shit, it's pissed. Uh, this thing wants to be a bitch. Okay, come on. Run for me, baby. Mm, so a fighter is green, barbarians are red, paladins are yellow, warlocks are magenta. That makes the most sense. And that's all of our classes currently? Yeah, that's probably for the best. Paladin's gonna come out yellow because they're fucking gay. Then you're gonna start out with a warlock. Warlock comes out here, and we are a magenta. And the default. Oh, I guess default is fighter, no? If you default, can you put your default at the beginning of a switch? Or does that fuck it up every single time?
Okay.
I guess this makes sense. Does it though? Because, like, it's sort of a problem. Because this is a void function, right? Because we don't return anything off of this. But we're printing inside of this. So we're not getting. We're going to print class name with colors. Which means should the print function the print class have a way to simply return hmm, this is always a tricky thing, right? And this is an F class, right? Not even an E class. This is an F class. Hmm. Yeah, this might be an issue. Yeah, this might be an issue. How no default constructor for F class. Yeah. However, I'm never calling it, so why is it bitching at me? Uh, whatever. Whatever. We'll just do this. Um, and we'll just print. Ooh, damn. Do I need an error? Oh, maybe that's a good thing. Oh, is this just gonna call it a macro because it's... All right, let's make this create implementation. It put it right here, which it shouldn't have done, which is odd. Visual Assist would have done that, but whatever. Um, to print error. So printf, we'll do print. Text color is going to... Ooh, which red should we use for errors? Bright or dark? I'm gonna say dark, I think. But yeah. Oh, you know what? We can actually just do print string to print colors red, true, false. And now we have a way to print errors. Ooh, I kind of would like to make a pragma region here that's called like debugging. And then do like pragma end region debugging. And now that I think about it, I would like these to maybe be at the end of the list. Demo colors goes in here as well. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Static void. This is gonna be warning. Is bright yellow the right color? Let's see. This wants to throw me some bullshit. Yeah, I think red and bright yellow are the colors. Um, I think this is good. I also think that we do something like if Mm, so this is where. Okay. Okay. So this doesn't make sense, right? This should be debug. This should be shipping. This has no reason to exist. Shipping, debug verbose. Shipping, log, debug verbose. We're going to define verbosity too. We're going to put this into types. Yeah. We're going to come into print CPP, which understands types. And we're going to say if verbosity we're going to say if verbosity if no if it's an error, it's a fucking error. Warnings, we'll maybe say like if verbosity yeah, we could say like if not verbosity, return on a warning. Because a warning would be log, right? Which is sort of like a debug. Well, yeah. Unfortunately, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So, hold on. So the log level thing. Mm, yeah. This is sort of the problem with using Visual Studio is that you run into shit like this. Um, it is so much easier if I just use make, because then you just start throwing in args. We're gonna by default do everything on verbose. My idea is I want to log everything. Ooh, and dice rolls. Okay, you know what? We have other stuff to do before we get into dice rolls. I want to just. Oh, but it's so easy to implement. So base spell damage. There is no main stat charisma. Does that make sense? You would need it. No? Then how? Okay. Your main stat is charisma. Why does it? Oh my god. Okay. 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 Base damage plus equals your charisma modifier, I guess. So like this is an issue, right? Because now these two get bonuses solely predicated, but this is, I guess, where classes come in, and you get things like available weapon types, which is going to need like an E weapons. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna need a bit of mathing, I think. Why is this complaining? Always initialize variables, whatever, bro. Um, but what if you need a class that's like a monster? Is a monster a class? Okay, listen, listen. We can't even fucking start with this. This is the problem. So let's just try to get back to doing this. I would like this to return a string. Which would be like print. Mm, right. So this is where the colors thing came in. E colors green plus fighter. And this is where it falls apart, right? Hmm. But you can't then you do like temp plus equals fighter and the compiler lets you do it? Like isn't won't it let you do that? Like am I crazy? So does that mean that I can then oh, this is so janky, right? Is it just that it doesn't understand that that's a string? So do I have to do this? And it'll let me do it? Okay. Yeah, but then we also need to do we need to reset afterwards. Right? Like we can't just leave it that way because that'll fuck up the terminal. So we don't need this break. I think we do this. Yeah, and we return this. Yes, this is correct. This is yellow. Paladin! Paladin! Warlock is going to be magenta. And here we have Warlock. I suppose we also move this plus sign way the fuck out of the way. just so we can be super anal about it. Ooh, I guess that's what you do, right? What is this? Column 40? 40. Oh, 52. Wait, what? Yeah, 52, 52, 52, 52, 54, 53, 54. Oh, what a useless waste of time. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the good stuff. Okay. Okay, that's about as good as it gets. Yeah, okay. That's about that. Mm. Oh man, but escape codes. Mm. Right? So now we have this issue, which is just a string, I guess. And we just switch on the class. Oh, bro, stop it with that. We get it. You're smart. Fuck off. So the case. Hmm. And the warlock. Does this make sense even? Like, am I going crazy? Right? Because now I should use this, right? I should use get class name. No? Yeah, I think that is what you do. Yeah, I think that is what's right. I think that's true. I think that's what you do. Right, because the issue is equals name dot length minus 13 plus the class plus get class name, right? Plus get class name dot length -1. Hold on, we should split these up, right? Plus new line is true by default. Hold on. New line true. Sleep false. Oh, that's the issue, right? Is that uh is that I don't want any color. So do I break this out into a separate function of like string no sleep? Because string no sleep might be good. You know what? We're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it and we're gonna update this later. This is okay. We're gonna update this later and it'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. That's famous last words. Now we need level and experience. You went 8. Maybe it doesn't even matter. Oh. Level and experience. And then required experience would obviously take you up to the next level. So now we need. Is this a. Experience and level? So we can get. We can get the experience. Right, which is just going to return experience. No. We can get. What is it called? Required experience. We get it, visual assist. You're so smart. And then int. Get level, which will return my level. Okay. So now we need to update experience with the amount, which is going to mean experience plus equals amount. So here's the issue, right? If you gain more experience than you need, hold on, let's just write this out real quick in a better way. So we'll say, like, if experience plus amount is greater than or equal to required experience, level plus plus, experience equals experience plus amount equals experience plus amount mod required experience return experience. Right? That's right, isn't it? Experience plus amount is greater than equal to experience. Increment your level. And we'll also need a thing for level up. That's. Yeah. Okay. So experience equals experience plus amount mod required experience. Level up is going to take the required experience and increase it. Mm. Yeah, so anyway, there's some issues in here that I need to worry about later. However, I'm not going to do that right now. I just absolutely don't give a shit to deal with that right now. So new line is true, sleep is true. Colors equals reset. New line is true. Bro, there's no way you really think I want to do a try catch in the middle of this fucking statement. And then this is false. Now, we're going to print string. std to string level. This is going to be another one. Okay, so to string. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. -1. So this plus a slash, yeah, plus std to string required experience. Oh no. Stop doing that. Oh, should I have insert on? Oh no. There we go. And again, we have eColors reset. New line true, sleep false. Yes. Okay. Now we need help. Okay. Print string help. Okay, so this is where we have to consider. We need to consider colors here. Look at health. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think bright red. New line, we're going to do false. We're going to do false. We're going to do mana. We're going to do bright cyan. This is new line. New line is true. We want new lines here. We're not going to consider colors. We're fucking going for it. We're going to send this shit. Where is print coming from? Off stream. O stream. Print string. Okay, so now we're starting with health. Okay, so this is where we start going. Okay. We need to really consider now. Oh shit, look at all these fucking errors. Oh no. Display simple. Fuck that. Okay, tons of errors. Expected a semicolon. Fair. Too few arguments for function call. Fair. Fair. Log. The default is going to be shipping, which is going to be no logging. Fair. Shipping. Okay. Shipping, log, debug, verbose. And then it's all good. Okay, let's go through the next errors. Oh, shit. Hell yeah. Okay. Even though these are kind of the same line. Help. Percentage D slash %D. So this is sort of the issue, right? Is that how do I pass arguments like this, if I type printf, if I F12 this, if I F12 printf, okay, hold on. Hold on, this is gonna work. This is gonna work. Type unknown. It's okay. So now if I compile it, oh, yeah. Formats, nothing. Hmm. But like this knows that it's a real thing. So why is it getting so grouchy? You know that this is a function. So if I really wanted to make that variable, it'd be a pain in the dick. How do you return? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I don't think you can do this. However, what you can do is you can use toString. Yeah? Current health plus no. Oh, it's total. Hold on. What the fuck? Am I crazy? Base health. This is wrong. Max mana. There we go. It has to be max, right? Like there's no way that it can be anything else. Um plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we're gonna say temp equals this. We're gonna say this equals temp, right? And then we need temp dot length minus 1 of space. Then all we really need is okay. Whatever. Then all we really need is toString your current mana plus toString of our max mana. The issue becomes, hold on. Hold on. This shouldn't be temp. Print string temp. This is wrong. Temp, yeah, plus equals temp. Because hold on. Hold on. Equals text color equals colors bright red plus yeah, print text colors e colors red. Right? But then yeah, and then I print this string temp color reset and then I don't want them to do that and that's false. Hold on. So oh no, this is starting to get a little wobbly here. If I print a string The first thing it's going to do is reset the color. Then it's going to print whatever I just told it to. If I tell it to sleep, it's going to do this. Okay. Okay, it should be fine. So now, for the mana, it's going to print here. Temp equals an empty string. So now it's time for the mana, right? Which is going to mean temp equals print text colors. It's going to be E colors. It's going to be bright cyan. Which is going to be bright cyan plus std 2 string current mana plus it's going to be std 2 string maximum mana. We print text color E colors, which is going to be cyan, right? I think this is correct. So here we're going to print temp. Colors reset. New line equals true. Sleep equals false. I think this is correct. I think this is okay. Let's just try and run it and see if it fails. Okay, this isn't being called. Display stats. Let's see if this gets called. And it crashed because name is a null pointer. Okay. That's probably fair. Yeah, because we have null pointers in here, so... So I guess your name can equal Pepe. Your class, well, let's do Warlock, because that's cool. Um, your age, we will say 31 because that's how old I am, and you can fucking deal with it. Right? Update modifiers. So Update modifiers should include your, where is it? It's here. In your class, E main stat, get face stat. Right, and this is going to be a switch as well on your class. Bro. We're just going to have a case of E class fighter. It's going to return agility. Yeah. Yeah, let's cut this formatting down a bit. A lot of reading. Hmm. It's like Warlock had a bit of a bug here. So for the barbs, we return a main stat of strength. Right? For the case of a paladin, right now we're going to return, I guess, int. That feels bad. And for the case, yeah, that feels bad. Um, yeah, I don't know. Listen, we're just gonna keep going. What does that even mean? Whatever, whatever. Who cares? Whatever. Okay. Let's see what happens. We're gonna try to display the stats. Let's see what happens. We got fucking goddamn errors. Ugh. Kill it. What happened? Okay. We had errors at memory location, whatever. Name. The name is crashing. Okie dokie. The name is crashing. So in the stats, cool beans. Okay. No, we're just gonna We're gonna move past it. You know what? No, we're not. No, we're not. Fuck this. Not all control paths return a value. Okay. So in class HPP, line 38, it's a warlock, isn't it? It's WOR. It is. It is. Okay. Anyways, what is this complaining about? I don't really understand. Not all control paths return a value. 38. Okay. So defaults, you still hate me. Print 6115. Initializing conversion from size of t to int. Possible loss of data. I don't fucking care. I don't give a shit. That is such a useless thing to say. However, this still will not run. Okie dokie. So grouchy. String too long. Ugh. Okay. Let's hit play one more time. Let's see where I fucked it up. Interesting. I cannot even print a string, which means my name is not even working, right? So, string name length minus 13 is something in here must be failing, right? So it's something in this line, right? There's no way that it's to string age, right? Like there's just no way. Uh, class name. What is it? Abort has been called. Ignore. Okay. Okay, so let's just. Where is it? Okay. Let's just do this. Let's just go through the fucking debugger. Because this is fucking retarded. There's no reason that this shouldn't work. As far as I can tell. This should work. Right? X string. Name. In Scythor. The name should be in Scythor. Right? Okay. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Let's try this. So let's just hit temp. Right? Okay. Let's keep going. Still no age. Like, what the fuck? How could I be so dumb? Okay, there's clearly a silly issue that I'm not seeing. Okay, so this works. Let's go next. Exception handled here. Print temp plus get class name. Class dot get class name instantly fails. So class by default equals an enum. Okay. So this is a struct trying to equal an enum. So it's going to equal. Okay, so what about that? I think that makes more sense. Ooh. Still no. It's okay. String too long. Okay. What am I missing? Like there's something stupid that I'm not seeing here that's killing me. Hold on. You know what? Like there's something silly that maybe I should just ignore. Because you know what? I bet that I'll see it tomorrow. You know what? I'm going to ignore it because I bet that I'm going to see it tomorrow. The first, like I guarantee you, the second I wake up, I'm just going to see it instantly. And so there's kind of no point in even wasting my time with it. We're just going to start brute forcing our way through this. We're just going to keep chugging along. Mm. So damage. Here we go. Uh, yeah, this is like sort of an issue. So, there's sort of like an issue with this, right? Where is going to be like plus. So then we need to know the attack damage modifier. Oh no, 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 no. Then we just need to know the bonus damage is greater than or equal to 0. So if the bonus damage is greater than or equal to 0. So if it's greater than 0, actually. Yeah, so if it's greater than 0. So if the bonus damage is greater than 0, then it's green. then it's gonna be green plus and temp equals, oh Jesus, two string not damage, right? Like what is it called? Physical damage? So if two string is greater than zero, if bonus damage is greater than zero, okay, hold on. I'm acting stupid here. So two string base damage, which I suppose is going to be an int or an array of two. Let's just say that it's a single value. Space plus space bonus damage equals is greater than zero. Else print text colors e colors else bonus damage is less than zero. Print text color e colors. If it's true, it should be red. Else print text colors e colors equals gray. I think that's right. So temp is a string, two string, base damage, which we're looking at here, which I know is now wrong. Space plus equals plus a color else yeah, it might be fucked. It's fucked. Yeah. So I guess what this means is hold on. No, it's bonus damage, right? It is. Hold on. If you are greater than 0, if you're greater than 0, you equal green, which means temp is greater than green, which should be here. Which we need to make sure that temp plus equals nothing. Temp equals nothing. Right? Then, else if bonus damage is greater than 2, temp is bright green, right? Else, if bonus damage is, this is not right, is greater than 2, is greater than 0, if bonus damage is less than negative 1, 2, 1, 2. Then the temporary color here should be bright red. Yeah, I don't know. Does that make sense? Um, Things are already crashing though. Yeah, this is sort of a dumpster fire of a function. I'm only on damage. And the bonus damage, if bonus damage is less than -2. Mm. Oh, this is the dumpster fire. All right, I'm gonna work on the rest of this off camera because this is just a catastrophe. Love you all very much.